Traditional kitchen remodel is not what it used to be 20 or 30 years ago. Technology has made it where what was traditional then is old school today. There is a difference between traditional design and timeless design, because a timeless design is technically good forever. So what does that all mean? You need to stay away from the trends. Trends could be imagined or considered cutouts for appliances that are not your normal stuff. For example, trash compactors. They work great when they work, and when they don't work, you have a hole. And they're only 15-inch, majority are only 15-inch wide, and now you're stuck with a hole that, what are you gonna do? A thing you think may be cool as an appliance, as a technology, does not mean that it's cool, because it hasn't proven the test of time. And with products that have not proved the test of time, that's where you can get yourself into the sticky situation of trends. It depends what your family needs. Now, there is the belief that 30-inch stoves are going out the door because families are growing. So a minimum today is considered that a 36 is a good size range or cooktop, but from that point is whatever you think you need and whatever that specific range brings. Fridges come in normal size and not normal size. Literally, we designers call them stupid and smart fridges. What are the stupid fridges? The stupid fridges are the fridges that have the normal depth, normal width. They're bulky. They cannot understand that even if you think you are a kind of depth fridge, you really are not, because half of your body, I'm exaggerating, it's not half, more like 4 or 5 inches, still sticking out into my space. You are in my way. I don't want you in my way. So that's for those reasons they're called stupid. We talking about size. So what are the smart fridges? Those are the articulating hinges fridges. Those are the true fridges that are flush with the cabinetry. Why? Because the hinges are smart and they allow the fridge to open within the cabinetry, meaning that the body of the fridge will not stick out. Remember, the fridge store shelves inside. So when you open the fridge, you don't swim around to try to find the milk that is expired already in the very back because it's so deep, right? You just move one thing and you can get to your other jar and you see, oh, the milk is expired, gotta go, right? Now, why am I telling you all this? Because there is, as I said many times, there is no simple answer. What do you want from your kitchen, from your space? How long are you gonna live in that particular home? Are you selling the home? Are you staying? To be able to create a custom plan for the new kitchen. I wish there is a simple answer as just do this and it will be great. It doesn't. It's very, very specific to you. And with that, you know that your investment in your space brings you the functionality, the beauty, the emotion, the building of memories and all, and it works for you and your family. So yeah, I'm saying call me.